Evernode.app lets you deploy any Docker image to the Evernode network. In this video, we'll deploy an Xmerge dApp using Evernode.app in just a few simple steps. First, make sure Docker is installed and running. To begin, update the Xmerge CLI with pnpm add-g xmerge to make sure you're using the latest version. You can create a new Xmerge project by writing pnpm dlx xmerge at latest create my-app. Choose a template, then enter the project with cd my-app. Next, we need to store our Xamarin API key, API secret, and Xahau destination address inside a Supabase project. Go to supabase.com, create a new project, then open the Project Settings tab. Under Edge Functions, go to Secrets and add the keys and destination address here. This is where Xmerge stores the credentials. On Supabase, we also need to copy our project URL and anon-key. We'll add these to the deploy file in our Xmerge projects later on. Select the Data API tab under Project Settings and copy the project URL. You can copy your anon-key under the API Keys tab here. Next, generate your Docker Hub access token. Open your Docker Hub profile in a browser, and in the Settings menu, choose Personal Access Token. Click Generate New Token, update the access permissions to read and write, and click Generate. Then, copy the token. Back in the terminal, within the project folder, write nano.env.deploy to open the file. In the file, enter your Docker Hub username, access token, and namespace within the quotes. Then update the Supabase URL and anon key we copied earlier. And if you already know the subdomain you'll use on Evernode, you can update the base URL here to match it. Then Control X, then Y, and enter to save the file. Next, we're ready to build and push the image to Docker Hub. Write xmerge deploy -- docker. This packages the app, builds the production Docker image, and logs into Docker Hub using the credentials we added, and automatically pushes the image to your repository. When the process finishes, Xmerge will print your Docker image name along with an Evernode deployment tag. Copy this tag as we'll use it in the next step. Now, log on to Evernode.app. Here, we can see a list of active Evernode hosts we can use to host our application. We can select any suitable host based on its available resources, reputation score, and lease price. On the host landing page, choose the custom image from the drop-down menu on an available instance. Then add your image name. Our Xmerge deploy automatically defines the port mapping here, and you can add a custom subdomain here. Then click Deploy. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Xamarin wallet by scanning the QR code. When you log in for the first time, it will ask you to set a message key for encryption if you don't have one yet. Then scan the next QR code to sign the payment transaction. This sends Evers to pay for 1 moment, which is equal to 1 hour. You can add more time in the next steps. Once the image is deployed to the instance, click the direct domain link. This will take you to your instance. And here, we can now see the dApp live on Evernode. Back on the landing page, you can add more moments here. Just enter the amount and sign the transaction to extend the runtime. For help with custom options like ports, domains, and environment variables, check the FAQ section on the landing page. And congratulations on deploying your Xmerge dApp to Evernode with Evernode.app. Thanks for watching.